A federal court case has begun into the 2010 grounding of a Chinese bulk carrier on the Great Barrier Reef. The Shen Neng one had strayed outside the shipping lane when it came to grief, causing major environmental harm. The Commonwealth wants the owner to pay the $120 million damage bill.
It was one of the worst ever groundings in Australian waters, leaving a 2.2 kilometre long scar along Douglas Shoal in the World Heritage Area. The Chinese coal carrier had veered 10 kilometres off course. 9 days passed before it was refloated. In 2012, the ship's master and chief officer were convicted in the Gladstone Magistrates Court. One was jailed, the other fined. But the question of who should pay to fix the damaged shoal is only now being determined in the federal court. At the opening of the trial in Brisbane, the Commonwealth revealed it was suing the ship's owner, Shen Neng Energy Transport, for $120 million to restore the shoal and remove highly toxic anti-fouling paint which had scraped off the vessel. The court heard the paint contained the compound tributyltin, which is lethal to marine life and was banned 20 years ago. The Commonwealth estimated up to 1.5 tonnes of paint had been dislodged, contaminating 112 hectares of shoal. It said removing the paint flakes was difficult but necessary. The poison, the contaminant in a flake, will be there as long as the flake is there, Barrister Martin Scott told the court. Not all of these flakes are just sitting on the surface. Some of them have become mixed into the sediment, for example. Lawyers for the ship's owner are disputing liability, saying the vessel's chief officer, employed by an independent company, was to blame for the grounding. They're also challenging the remediation costs. More than 20 witnesses are expected to take the stand during the 4-week hearing. Shani Kim, ABC News, Brisbane.